Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So my name is Jeanette, and the reason why I cashed up and used zero-based budgeting is to save for 6 months of expenses. So in today's video, we are going to do a weekly recap in my budget planner. So I'm going to tell you guys basically what income came in and how much I cashed up into my binders as far as 6 months of expenses, our savings challenges, all of our savings challenges, and our sinking funds. So let's get into this. Now, I do have the money from the challenge I finished yesterday. So before I get into my budget planner, I'm going to bring out my lockbox. So that's where all the money will go. Well, this one will go probably to 6 months of expenses or my sinking funds, but I don't know which one yet. But I just wanted to show you guys my lockbox. And basically, when I finish certain challenges, the money will go in there and I'll count it at the end of the year. So let's bring that out. It's super big, so it's going to be really big on camera, but you guys will get the point. So this is the lockbox here, and I want to decorate it as well. I want to put my name on it and everything, so hopefully you can see that there. Let me just move this. And I'm going to put this money in there until I figure out where I'm going to put the money. So let's just open this up. It comes with a key. Did I just lock it? Oh, no, it's hidden. Okay. So it comes with a key. I got this on Amazon. I thought it was a good idea just to keep everything in there. And yeah, so this is the lockbox here. And a lot of you guys are saying, like, the storing of money and stuff. So I think this is really cool. And it's fireproof, so that's good too. Okay, so we have a total here in this envelope. And this was the ice cream dollar challenge of 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm going to store this in here for now until I figure out where I'm going to put that money at. And then I think I'm going to redo that challenge. I don't know yet. I'm still thinking like what I'm going to do. All right, so let's put the 5s in here. Perfect. I feel like I'm at a store working the cash register. And then we're going to put, this logo just there. The ones here. Okay, so that's that. So when I finish my Monday challenges, my Colorful Monday challenges, and anything in my Budget Bestie book, the money will go here. But for now, I'm going to put this in here. And I'll probably put the challenges in here as well. Like maybe in the back they'll fit. Let me see something. Like maybe I can just hold them there. Okay, yeah, that'll work out well. And this is for change up here. I have a jar of change that I put my change in, but maybe I could start storing in here. I don't know yet. So this is my lockbox, super cute, pink of course. And I will be decorating it soon as well. So that's just a good idea where you can store your money. Okay, so enough of this lockbox. And let's get into the budget planner. Okay, so I'm gonna set this aside here, thinking about reusing it, or I'm gonna do reach for the stars. I don't know which one yet. Okay, so this is my budget planner. This is available in my shop. The information is below. And basically, this is based on zero-based budgeting, right? And it is laminated, so it's reusable. So I use this every week to allocate the funds to where they need to go to. So I use the weekly section. So I wrote this with you guys. I did a video on my financial goals for the year, which are really high, but I think I can do it. And then these are the debts, the sinking funds I have so far, and the goal that I have for them. And these are the savings challenges here that I'm doing right now. So right here, the ice cream challenge, I completed it. The roll the dice, I completed, but I'm redoing it again. So I don't know if I'm going to do it again. So I'll just add the challenges here. Now, every book does have a savings challenge tracker, like the Budget Bestie book, as well as my other one. So I keep track of those in there as well. But this is basically everything I have going on right now. Okay, and then here you choose a color for the calendar, and I choose a color for each category as well. So let's get into how much I made this week. And my income is really low because what I'm saving is basically what I make from my small business. So this was the money that came in for the week. And also my husband gave me some of his tip money. So we just put it in there too. And then randomly gave me $9 and I put it in there too. So this is the breakdown. This is the income that came in. And I set goals for myself, like to manifest my business. So next week, I'm hoping to stuff at least $250. You'll see that at the end, but you never know what you're going to get. So, okay, small business brought in 120, hubby's tips 65, and randomly $9. That was from him too. Okay. So that's like pocket change. Like when you go to the store and you use cash, yeah, we try to save every little bit we can. Okay, so for mortgage, for our fixed expenses, it was $5. This is for our 6 months of expenses, not our actual bill. So this is to get 6 months ahead in our mortgage, our savings, and emergency. Okay, so mortgage, I put $5 in. Savings, I put $5 in. And emergency, I put $5 in, making a total of $15, right? And then for my wallet, which I spend because these kids, we went to the supermarket and they got snacks. So they like completely wiped out my wallet, even though there's different categories for it. But I'm glad I at least had that money in there. Plus, we went over $2 actually, counting the miscellaneous as well. So we did have our movie night. They did enjoy their snacks. So that's all that matters at the end. Okay, variable expenses. So we have groceries was $5, toiletries was $5, out to eat was $5, kids was $5, spending was $5, self-care was $5, and miscellaneous was $5. So that was a total of $35. And then I took out $2 from that $9 that he gave me because the bill was, I forgot what it was. It was like 36 something. So I had to take $2 out for that. Okay. Now my debt, Home Depot got $5, Klarna got $5, and Chase got $5, making a total of $15 I saved for this week. Okay, our sinking funds, back to school got $5, kids got $5, holidays got $5, and birthdays got $5. Business bills, Shopify got $5, and taxes got $5, making it a total of $30 there in my sinking funds and business bills, right? And then as far as our savings challenges, if you checked out yesterday's video, Money in the Bag got $5, Mood Motivation got $3, and also Mood Tracker got $4 as well in the week. So I did it twice. I should do it today too. No, let's just keep up with this. I'm sorry. Okay, so Mood Motivation Tracker $3, No Spend got $2 because we spent money yesterday. Birthdays got $5. Christmas got $5. These are all the savings challenges I have going on right now. Roll the Dice got $6. She's in Her Era, we scratched off $5. Hello Kitty, we scratched off a 5 and a 1. So that was $6. New Year's got $4 as well as another $4 throughout the week. Dollar Diamond Challenge got $4, and ice cream got $3 and $1 throughout the week as well. So $4, and we were able to complete that challenge. Okay, so everything here is what I was discussing as I was going. So Happy New Year, $4, ice cream $1, and Mood Tracker $4, right? So in yesterday's video, I took out $48 for those, right? Monday's video, which is the Colorful Mondays. I'll show you that binder really quickly. Our Colorful Mondays. So this one right here, we cashed off a total of $20 there, right? And then in Sunday's video, which is tomorrow, the Budget Bestie binder, I took out $20 for that. So in savings challenges, plus he gave me $9, right? So $97 in all of this, in all the savings challenges. So it was $97 in savings challenges. And eventually this money, because I like to save in a fun way, and I feel like the savings challenges kind of keep me a little motivated. Yes, I could have took most of this money and put it into sinking funds and my 6 months of expenses, but guess what? That's where it's going to go regardless. So, yeah, so $97 for that, right? And then here we go. Okay, so the income was $194. Fixed expenses, $15. Variable expenses, $35. Debt, $15. Sinking funds, $30. And savings challenges was $97. And the extra for the girl snacks was $2. So if you add all of this together, you're at 194, right? And our income is 194. So basically with zero-based budgeting, you want to be at zero. Each dollar needs a home. So that's basically what zero-based budgeting is. So 194 here minus 194, total is zero. So each dollar got a home when it came down to my business pay and my husband's tips. So that's pretty good. Like instead of taking the money, like his tip money, and spending it out there, he brought it home, he gave it to me, and I put it in one of these challenges. So that's super awesome that you save money like that, because when you're outside, you tend to spend money. Another thing, I do pack lunch for him. Like probably people gonna get at me right now, but I do pack lunch for him so he doesn't spend money outside. So he takes his cooler, it's like a big cooler, and I do it every morning. I pack the girls' lunch as well, so I do it all at once in the morning, and that's a way to save money. So we do the big grocery shopping, and throughout the week we get little things here and there, and lunches come from home. So when you're spending outside on fast food, you're spending like $15-20 a day, and yeah, that's not happening. So we zeroed out everything. Everything's zero, right? My goal for next week is $250. So far, I have $20 for Colorful Monday. So my Colorful Dollar Monday challenge has $20 in it so far. And it's right here. So I'm good on that part. And let's see what happens. I do have money coming in from the business, because with Shopify, it's not like you get paid right away. You have to wait 5 days, sometimes 6 days. So it's whatever comes in at that moment. That's what I'll cash up for the week. Sometimes it's high, sometimes it's low. That's why I try to hit at least every category, even if it's $5. Even if I'm putting $1 into savings, honestly, at least I did that. So I feel like the way I do cash stuffing does help low income as well. That's just that extra money you have in your pocket that you want to save. Now, as far as the small business, everything that I make from the small business, I am saving. I'm not spending on myself, because it's just an extra income coming in the house. We live in a one income household because my husband's the one who works, and of course I have the business. So there's like a little side hustle. So it does help out with savings, because sometimes he's not able to save what he has because the bills are high. Like our mortgage went up so high for January, and it's crazy. Like it's crazy right now. And grocery shopping, our groceries, if we do the big grocery, the big grocery trip, it's like $1,000, and we're a family of 6, so it's crazy. Like what used to be at least $700 is now $1,000. And we do go to Costco because we are a big family. So, and I cook every day. I try to cook every day. This out to eat business is usually, out to eat was every Friday. I was like, you know what? For Fridays, I'm gonna just do a big meal. It could roll over to Saturday, and then Sundays, of course, family day as well. I make a big meal as well, and it rolls over to Monday. So I have leftovers from the Friday big meal, which was yesterday, and I had a lot left over. And then on Sunday, it rolled over to Monday. So I'm trying to have like a meal plan. Like I'm trying to make a meal plan, but I never keep up with it. I'm just so random. Like, all right, you know what? I'm gonna take this meat out for today, and we're gonna do this. Throughout the week, I do quick meals because I am cooking for 6 people. And my toddler, he's picky, so that's a whole nother meal. And my daughter Anna, a whole nother meal. So I have to cook like 3 different meals throughout the week because certain ones don't eat certain things. And honestly, back in the day, if it was my grandma, she'd be like, no, you're gonna sit there and you're gonna eat that food, whether you want to or not. But it's a different generation now, and these kids gotta eat. So I give them basically what they like. So yeah, guys, hopefully this explains a lot for you guys. Hopefully this helps you out. Again, my budget planner is in my shop, and the information's in the description box. It's laminated, so you get to reuse it over and over again. So you do the initial investment of buying it, right? but there's no date set in it, no nothing. And whenever you buy it, you get the new calendar of the year, of course, right? But I feel like this is very convenient because you're not wasting money just dropping it on budget books because they could be super pricey. So I like this way because it's laminated and I get to reuse it over and over again. So yeah, guys, hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys for showing your support and love by subscribing and watching my videos. Tomorrow video is going to be the fun video. We're going to do the Budget Besties binder. So I'm super excited about that. We're going to use a dice for it. And let's see if I complete any challenges already. Let's see. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video.